Hello everyone, welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family a quick and easy banana cream pound cake. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I must acknowledge the presence of my subscribers right here. To those of you who are always coming back, you are and forever will be my MVP. God bless you. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. To my viewers, you're following, you're watching, but haven't made up your minds as yet, please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.